So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make millions of coins in FIFA Mobile 23. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So we've been talking a lot about RTTF, Road to the Final cards. Unfortunately, the ratings have not been updated yet. As you can see, Rudiger, you can't see in Rudiger because I upgraded him myself. But Ederson is still 109 overall. Tonali is still 107 overall. Calabria is still 105 overall. So they have not been upgraded. And they should have been upgraded already, but I guess they're going to be upgraded next week. But you can go ahead and make a lot of coins with that. You can go ahead and make a lot of coins if you go ahead and search teams from, for example, Real Madrid. Those cards from RTTF have gone down a lot, and now it might be time to invest in them. UCL cards, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Carvajal, as you can see, is 15 million coins right now, and he has dropped from 21 mil. As you can see, there are not a lot of players, a lot of people trying to buy these cards anymore. So it is probably a very, very good time to go ahead and invest in 107 overall. Carvajal right now, he's got a decent card, he's 107, he's gonna become 108 very, very soon, hopefully next week at least. But it's a pretty decent time to invest in Carvajal, as well as other two 105 overall Real Madrid players. We've got Mendy. It's a pretty decent idea to invest in this Mendy card as well. As you can see, he was about like 6 million coins, and now he's 3.6, and he's most likely gonna go up in price after he gets that rating upgrade. And Camavinga, the same thing as well. I'm gonna go and grab Camavinga as well. I think Camavinga, Mendy are very, very good investments, and Carvajal as well, because he's gonna become 108 overall, and he has a chance to become 109, 110, of course, if Real Madrid win semi-finals and win the final as well. But let me go ahead and claim my two cards, Mendy and Camavinga. I didn't have them yet. I don't want to have like loads of these cards stacked into my team. I want to have one each, because why not, right? Because why not? But we've got Mendy and Camavinga. Mendy is a good one, as you can see. Mendy is a good one, and Camavinga is a good one, as well as Carvajal. But for example, like Man City is not the best one to invest in, because those cards for some reason have still got a lot of supply. So for example, Ederson, you can see there are a lot of people trying to sell Ederson still. His price is still gonna go down, so it's not the best idea to invest in this Ederson Moraes card right now. So wait on him. He's in my watch list, so I'm gonna go and watch him, and hopefully he's gonna go down. I mean, he's gonna go down a lot more, and then after the upgrade, I think he's gonna go up in price as well. As you can see, he was like 90 million coins at some point, but 60 million coins about a couple of days ago. Grealish is a very, very good one to invest in. I've got like, I think, 1 or 2 Grealishes. If you invest in Grealish, he's definitely gonna go up. He's 107 overall now. He's under 10 million coins, or 10 million coins in my market at least. And as you can see, there is nobody trying to buy him anymore. There is one person trying to. There is nobody trying to sell him anymore. There is one person trying to buy him, and a lot more people trying to buy him right now. So yeah, Grealish is a very, very good one to invest in. Ake is not the best one as well. Just like with Ederson, he's got a lot of people trying to sell him, a lot of supply. So do not invest in Ake right now. There are 2 more cards, of course, that reached semi-finals. From Serie A, this is Inter and Milan. And we got some more players, some more cards from these clubs. We've got Lukaku, who is not the best one to invest in right now, because his price is still gonna go down, even though it went down from 10 million to 6.6. He's still gonna go down because a lot of people are trying to sell that card. Dumfries, it's a little bit less, but he's still gonna go down. I wouldn't invest in Dumfries either at this point. There is Tonali. Wouldn't invest in Tonali either, because he's 6 million coins. He was 9.6 mil, but as you can see, there's a lot of supply, a lot of people trying to sell him, so he's still gonna go down in price. Gosens, same thing with Gosens as well. There is Kjaer, same thing with Kjaer. So if you see that there are a lot of supply, there are a lot of people trying to sell these cards, then it's probably not the best idea to invest in them. But if they've got some like Grealish, if you see some like Grealish and people are trying to buy that card instead of selling them, or they've only got like 10 listings or so, then it's a decent idea to go and buy them. For example, this DeMarcus card is not a bad idea to invest. It's not a bad idea to invest in this card, because he's 104. He's only like 900k either way, so you're pretty much guaranteed to make coins from this one. And you got Calabria as well, 105 overall Calabria. Not a bad one to invest in as well, not a bad one. But that's pretty much it with RTTF cards. I still can't get another Grealish for my team. I think I've got 1. Yeah, I've got 1 only. I've only got 1 Grealish, unfortunately. But I'm going to try to get more, because that Grealish, Mendy, Camavinga, are very good ones to invest in. DiMarco is not bad either, and Ederson. I mean, I made a whole bunch of loss from Ederson, but I think he's still gonna go back up to what I paid him for. I still believe in that. If you go any RTTF cards right now, I wouldn't sell any of them. I don't sell any of them right now. Wait until until the ratings go up, and their prices are gonna go up with that as well. So don't sell any RTTF cards that you got into your team. As you know, this is another way to make coins. Whenever you go ahead and play the UCL event, you obviously get a lot of untradeable cards from them. And you can go on and put those untradeable cards into player exchanges right here, and you're gonna be able to get tradable cards instead, and you will be able to sell them. So let's see if I'm gonna be able to do any of these exchanges. I can't do this one, unfortunately, but if you go enough, this is another way to make coins. Of course, you need to just put those untradeable cards into this exchange, and you will be able to make some coins from that. So I've got a lot of I don't want to use the Marcos. I'm sorry. All right, I don't have any of these either. Then I can't do any of these because I don't want to use the Marcos, of course, in this. So unfortunately, I can't do any of these exchanges. I'm gonna try the higher overall one as well. This one. Can I do this? Do I have enough 106s? I do not. So I can't do any of these exchanges, unfortunately. But if you go enough untradeable players, I'm not really grinding this game that much. So if you go enough untradeable players, you can go and put them into these exchanges and get higher overall players that actually sell as well. That you can actually sell and make profit from them. In the Star Pass, let me know if you complete the Star Pass as well. I can get one more 101 plus overall player from here. I got 101 overall blast switch. It's not the best one, but I guess it is alright. Obviously, another way is also to go ahead and do this exchange. You need 225 hero points and 400 super scores to get 1 million coins. You can do it 2 times. You can go ahead and get 2 million coins that way. And in 15 hours for me right now, it's gonna refresh, and you can do it. You can go and get that 2 million coins once again from that. So that's another very easy and simple way to go on and get coins right now. But other than that, I wouldn't suggest you to open fantasy exchanges and hero exchanges, 108s, 109s, or I wouldn't even suggest you to open any of the UCL exchanges with the players that you are buying. Like I wouldn't buy players to do this UCL exchanges. Do this exchanges only with untradeable cards. That's the best way to do it, because if you go on and buy them from the market, buy those 106 overall cards and stuff like that to get 108 overall player, you are most likely gonna lose coins. You are most likely gonna lose coins. So that's not the best idea. Heroes Journey though, obviously not a lot of people like this event anymore. You need to do a lot. You need to play a lot of days, a lot of weeks until you get one of the heroes players. But that's how it is. That's how it is right now. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.